Turolo Pherangke pini nilitum Karbi Student Association pen mati KSA pen itum da Pherangke Amei ki phanangkop alambang pen lo alam thebang la pulo kidam tanga chiklo jirikendeng 9 Hamren constituency along isi jirila score mate rong michu jirikendeng a town pen hilo elo lada arong asar bang village headman mate rong asar bang la kitok pen lo ipil kitok do rong along bi vo pha la pen ke hansu kiri la pen bang pai du dong le jong si komande mana bi chi kop ke thak si kop ke pen itum thek long lok lo te itum ko pi mo ke wi itum la ya dai ang itum long si do palam alu tok si english pen tok lo tak si alang itum da signature mari that pen alang itum sil stambang theng lo sil stam lo abang ke west giant hill district si da sil stam long itum thek kon lo asin itum bang condemn lo la pen rongasa hamstability pulo ate jirikendeng jirila score lake town dung hetse puri lake west karbi long district jurisdiction se kapuri lake west giant hills kali all that jirikendeng phan uchot kali entire karbi long lapen west karbi long hamstability lake si sensitive o ate tum jurisdiction west karbi long jurisdiction chinilor silatum west giant hill district asil stam sikethe labang ni tum ko dum thek lase Ahe alang li bang di social media Facebook along tak post la post that pen la gambura bang ke isi an apologize letter mane ke dia chuangan lo chitok thulo mesen lo sita me da alang li tum sil stam use tham ari tham si use ko people lo te alang li tum sil stam bang ke alang li tum lo ave western hill district a sil stam si use dun kasi yong si itum dak karbi long si durapet ya rapet dari community conflict pada lagi kali sampai jurisdiction alam de ko pose dak karbi long jurisdiction puri anu kan ke karbi long system dan official kamalo an sampai use not te lale ke people non ma pose ni tum karbi student association pen banke itum juning relo ladak la kali aku isi du thulang la so alam ki ni tum thek long that pen non aku puthor banke kidam tang 2015 mate dengan suri hinira krep kawan ikan inut ganggaram rau tu inut Nepali meni tu nilida long lelam kita ni inan kok long lelam ta atheda itu karbeng long ke sikshidol area batu ta chinilo mala bang so Nepali bang long le mate nong khat mate land revenue system cumang long claim dun senikan tham kiap an pleng tang lo masih alang bang ke pata selam chong hudet se bika kiap pata selam chong hudet se alang bang ke long le bang ke cuma an seyor der hala so long le ke jor ke la ni ben amasi complain nang le nutum karbi student association han complain nang le sinitum tarik kra chok ser ni bang itu inside dun pen la bang so ni pali bang illegally bete aron rep nang le pata selam der aku tak sinitum bang inside dun la det pen la da ni tumbang hang lo nang li long le kinam ya right do ma siksidul area long nang di general mandi atheni tum tan mithang constitution do pola nang thak khader la chot tagali alang li bang agreement chi toglo mate nang li nongkhat mate land revenue chuklam du job se nang li long li copy pasi pata selam chong hudat nang li chuklam du be kamali galong pata selam chong hudat se copy joine se nang li la soni claim lo bende tum pulo tata nang chi thak khader lo neli la so a handful long neli nam dile lem thar ke nam agreement ang bithap tanang bitek the ama se alang li jin tu bata selam chong hudat alang li chuklam lun chot aman li galong pen bata selam chong hudat pen $60 on ga kan lo dili $60 pang tang henten ko phan le ko gale sta me long le ke yor chong hunang le bata selam chong hunang le da ke Karbeng long district area la pen di mahasal ke ata bikai sigale bika ke bata selam chong husi ba pen se yor chong hudat la se hala ki jor ke cuma an sejo lagni hadak ta agreement doma agreement ang pilo lahen lo agreement ta agreement along bangke alang li tumda signature hai korilo la pencil stamp thing lo mojam ke jirgending pen kilometer nerkia lo ne sido border ta puri re mojam ke Karbeng long district west Karbeng long district nena mri lo silo se puri adak sil stamp along ta west giant hill district ko la silason alang itu official betul la Karbeng long along gitu cuma along an west Karbeng long district jurisdiction long kido an acumang Karbeng long nai poridun an ke la west giant hill district long ma ata chaju membe itu la conflict mate cipohong nang phan lagi ko bali samela ka sensitive issue mase non ben se chilang tu nai lagi. Nitum karbi lu cari asong dah tu kali karbi yang long arata dai tu border cingrum amai punon kaprik khai pan iklam asong ya pitu mana lagi pun dia rai tu. Ati kopi porlo pulutan te latum bang ke non kujat official kamalong rongalong pina agreement tu mela tu West Hill district system sigi use. Apen kopi negi sing sai long latum nason sigi use. Senon long lekin nam trong hua long agreement anta West Hill district system sigi use. Lasen ini tum karbi lu cari asong ben bang lason bang iklan pada nai apen ke celang nun rapen na karbi long mete karbi KSA karbi student association dah pukali lagi Hamren border punon Hamren apen all karbi long border punon kapri ka border long atu ke dua tum sabe cilang tu nahi non ben lay tum lapu ani pati putang te mo pege lansu se community class bang wang jo yema konflik bang wang jo yema sini di mata asi kopi posi press meet hang nang ko ma belum te lagi ni kapacini athe sugidang pan sihat pulo bang apologize letarang pilo apen ko non ta claim tu philason asi kusono lagi alai tum system bang mari po ang itu malah West Hill district which chitok po sorry pilitaran pipo aku claim tu dia betul lagi ko pilo asi ni mata bang ke that cerai komni ya ni betul tum jurisdiction do since 1951 pen itu council after the creation of autonomous district council la council itum tu that pen itum land right pen kapre itum long do asala so thing betul itum West Karbi long district nainam rek la hai non lahayas kapuria rom jem madan lahay anta ke Karbi long West Karbi long district area sipuri asini tum bana bang ke shooting rilo la kasi la pen kapre kasai kuntan itum Karbi long dori pun itum pupe seme dora perna peaceful ben dona Karbi long kopi ma ronatan ke follow du nampo noni litum le kapre ka district long dodam te hala kapre ka state long dodam te hala so state long kopi si constitution ka relate ma plus itu follow tu nangi asini tu bang ke oppose lo pen condemn lo lasan bang ke non bang ke tu cirok tok situ tu nangi border issue cota kali la bang ke non ke dak Pherangke border long ke non ta insam jin pen do fek thalang se men non bang ke ro along anta lakum ke West Hill district sina chit ta wanda lo asla se bang pheri me me yi khang bang ke si li chuning rieng tu bang ke karbiang long ke thek ke ding pen kapre ro sa pen chinglok pen border committee tu pen chinglok pen karbi lo charlie asong pen sabi tu kita cirok tok si dun bom ye sinong litum stan nela puisi lahai issue long bang ke nang initiative nang idun po pasini dia media thing no pen chuning ri lo kardon first of all I would like to thanks all my media fraternity for taking initiative regarding to this press meet that we have called from Karbi Student Association. The reason behind that we are today sitting here for calling a press meet is that I think last month in the month of April, a village name called Jirilaskor, which falls under Hamren constituency, the jurisdiction of West Karbi district. There the village headman as well as the Gaunbora of that particular village have written an appeal regarding the village responsibility. There we find that the appeal, the signature that the village headmen have given there, in that seal, signature seal stamp, that's written West Hill district. Therefore, we, on behalf of Karbi Student Association, strongly condemn and oppose, because see, dear brothers and sisters for Khasis community and Panar community, this seal stamp regarding this written there West Hill district, which might bring conflicts among our community, because since we are living in the West Karbi district, there are so many villages which falls under West Karbi district jurisdiction, but the village headmen should aware of this responsibility, because this small issue might lead to a big confliction amongst our community, amongst our tribal community. Therefore, from today onwards, we, on behalf of Karbi Student Association, would like to request not only those Hamren constituency jurisdiction, West Karbi district, as the entire district both West Karbi Anglong and East Karbi Anglong. See, for example, like Khanduli, like Chingthong, those particular constituency which falls under West Karbi Anglong district, we strongly oppose and not to use this West Giant Hill district, some seal stamp which written there, West Thangrong, West Giant Hills district, because this particular village falls under Karbi Anglong jurisdiction. Apart from that, not only this is not only the first time. I have seen this from social media platform. Then I have written that in Facebook, in my Facebook page also. Please do withdraw your appeal, because your appeal which might bring a sensitive issue for both our community as well. Again, another issue that we have, I think this month itself, 17th of May, some agreement have been written there. Bahadur from Nepali community have taking land revenue system from Panar, which is a Khasi community. They have an agreement written along with them. There also we find the same seal stamp, West Giant Hill district. Therefore, this is not the jurisdiction of West Giant Hill district. And please do withdraw this agreement also. Here are the agreement written between that Nepali, I forgot his name, they written Rao, I think, Ganga Rao and Fatma Dekhar there. And apart from that, we on behalf of Karbi Student Association also appeal this, we are not bringing any conflict among Nepali, Khasi and any particular community living in our Karbi Anglong district, but as we belong to a 6th scheduled area, both Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dimha South district. Therefore, those who have, there is our land act, land right, which we need to utilize, which we need to, we have our own land right. Therefore, I do request those Nepali community also, please do not sell and purchase land, because this is actually an illegal. Making this this Nepali, this Gangaram Rao, I think, is making his land pata since 2015 illegally. There is no witness, there is no agreement with them. Therefore, we appeal. We are not bringing any conflict among the community, but we appeal because this is a very sensitive issue, which we also condemn and request those Khasi brothers and sisters, since we are living for years ago, we are a brotherhood, we are living with a peaceful, because we want peace, because all the particular community who is living in Karbi Anglong wants peace. We are living together. Therefore, I do request, and we do request on behalf of Karbi Student Association, kindly please withdraw the seal stamp and do not sign any West Giant Hill district seal stamp from any kind of agreement as well as any kind of official law. Thank you.